Hi, I'm Laura Hager, and I'm here at Scrapbook.com to show you the Exclusive Spellbinders Platinum 6 die cutting bundle. This bundle includes the die cutting machine, an embossing plate and an embossing mat, 2 clear cutting plates, and the platform needed to create your sandwiches. This bundle also includes the amazing tool-in-one that's great for any project. This bundle includes an exclusive jumbo triangle pennant set. It includes 7 pieces. We're going to use the smallest triangle to create a really fun card to send to a friend. So for this project, we're going to need 21 triangles. We're going to get started by opening our die cut machine and creating our sandwich. So we need to start with the platform, which has the instructions on creating a sandwich. First, we get started with the cutting plate. Next, we need our piece of paper and our die. And we finish by adding the second cutting plate. So we're just going to feed this through the machine. We're going to do this for all 21 triangles. If your paper is stuck in the die, you can just use the tool-in-one to help pop it out to release it from the die. Sometimes the smaller pieces get stuck. So to get started with this card, we just need to lay out all the triangles. I like to start by laying them all out so I know that 2 patterns aren't right next to each other. So I'm just going to lay all of these out on my paper. The ones on the edge are going to stick off a little bit, but we'll trim those down. So now that we've figured out our layout, we just need to add the triangles to the paper using some adhesive. I'm going to use the roller adhesive from Scrapbook.com so we don't have to wait for anything to dry. Okay, now that all the pieces are stuck down, we just need to trim off the extra triangles from the side. So I'm just going to flip it over and use scissors just to trim off the extra pieces. So now our card is ready to decorate. So on my card, I use this sewing machine just to add a couple stitches. If you don't have a sewing machine, you could hand stitch, or you can leave it just as it is. It's still really pretty like this. If you are going to use the sewing machine or hand stitch, I would do it now before we add any details. Also before we add the white cardstock so you don't see the lines when you finish your card. So next we're going to add our embellishment. I have this really pretty flower with some gold glitter. So I'm just going to add a 3D adhesive piece so that sticks off the page. It's a little bit larger, so I'm going to add 2. And then we just remove the backing and stick it right onto the card. So I'm going to add the word love to this card. So I'm going to use some gold thickers to spell out our word. This set of thickers is so pretty. It has some additional scroll on it, and it's really pretty. So I'm going to add those directly to the card. And I want to add a couple more embellishments. So there's these other thicker design stickers, and I loved the triangles to mimic our pennant die cut. So I'm going to add a couple of those around the card. So now our card front is done and ready to be added to our white cardstock. So I've cut down this piece of white cardstock from a 12 by 12 to fit our card. I'm just going to fold it in half. And I'm just going to use some more of that adhesive on the front of the card. Just add what we've created directly to it. Now we have a really pretty card to send to a loved one or a friend. These make great Valentines also. This pennant die cut set can be used for anything. It's great for scrapbooking, party supplies, card making, any crafts you might be doing. It's so easy to work with. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happy crafting!